Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 2 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 1, naming words or nouns. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous let's remember one. Okay, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so naming words are nouns. Just take an example. Suppose you close your eyes. Okay, suppose you close your eyes and just open it. What the things you will see, these all are will called nouns. Okay, just close your eyes and then open. So what the things you will see around you, all are will be considered as nouns. Okay, so here read the passage below, fill in the blanks by using the pictures clue. So here I went to the hill station. Okay, so you have to write here hill station. Just you have to look at the picture and you have to write the name of the picture. In the summer vacation, my here this is a picture of a family. Here father, mother and their children. You call it family. Okay, was with me. The hills were full of here trees. Okay, every day we enjoyed the clouds. So, here this is a picture of cloud. Okay, we have to write here clouds and the sun. Okay, this is a picture of a sun, so you have to write sun. There was a small, here look at the picture, this is a picture of a river. Okay, so there was a small river close by. We flew here kites, these are the picture of kites. Okay, in plural you have to write in plural kites, and played here football. Okay, and played football with other children. We saw goats and lambs grazing in the fields. We also went for a boat ride. Okay, here on the river. It was a wonderful holiday. Okay, then next here what do you call the words you wrote? Yes, so they are all are nouns. They are called nouns. So here nouns are naming words for people, places, things, animals, birds. These are known as nouns. Go back to the passage on the previous page. Point out the people, places and things here. There. Places here hill station places, and here people means you can call here. Okay, collective noun. Father, mother, brother and sister. This is and people. Then here also things you can call trees, clouds also things. Okay. Here you can river also name of a place you can write. Sun, it is the name of a thing. Okay, then kites also name of things, and football it is it is also a name of a thing. Okay, and boat it is also name of a thing. So you have to write down. Okay, point out the people, places and things. The places you find here hill station first. Okay, then you find places places will be river. Okay, places. Then places, these are the places. Then people people here you can call the father, mother, sister and brother. Okay, people people. Okay, then next things can be called trees. Then you can call the clouds, sun. Okay, then football, boat. These are the name of things. Okay, so here here are some nouns refer to people, places, things and also animal, birds. So people can be considered mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, doctor, teacher. Then places village, city, a forest, a town, valley. Okay, then things bus, train, boat, car, a kite, tree, a ball, star. These are the things. Then here goats, lambs, dogs, elephants, peacocks, animals and birds. Okay, so these are nouns. So we will learn about two types of nouns here. Look at the sentence below. A girl and her friend ate at a roadside shop. So girl, friend, shop, common nouns. Okay, common names of people and place. We cannot exactly say who they are and which shop they ate. Okay, so here take an example. A boy or we called boy. Okay, so this is a common noun because here we are not referring to a particular boy. Suppose take an example, Rohan. So Rohan is a particular name of the boy, and you also here find it starts with a capital letter, so this will be called as a proper noun, because proper means it is the name of a particular person, particular boy. So, but you here find a boy means any boy. Okay, so here a boy, here boy will be considered as a common noun and Rohan will be considered as a proper noun. Clear? So now read the sentence below. Ginny and Sneha ate at pizza place. Yes, so here Ginny and also Sneha, they they refer to the name of a particular girls. Okay, this is the name of a girl, this is the name of a person, and Sneha, it is also the the name of a person. Okay, so at pizza place. Yes, so it is the name of a hotel, we can say. Pizza, here find P starts with capital letter and P here also starts with capital letter. Here G also starts with capital letter and S is also start with capital letter. Okay, so proper noun always start with the capital letter. Proper noun always starts with the capital letter and common noun starts with small letter. This is the difference you can find. Okay, so Ginny and Sneha pizza are the exact names. Yes, we know who they are and where they ate. Clear? So here you find a common noun talks about people, places and things in general. Yes, common nouns don't begin with a capital letter. Yes, so you have to remember, proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Common noun does not start with capital letter. This is the difference. Clear? So common noun here girl, proper noun will be Ginny. Friend, common noun. Sneha is a proper noun. Hotel is a common noun. Pizza place, this is a proper noun. Clear? So here a proper noun is the exact name of a particular person, place or thing. All proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Yes, country, then India, month, March, color, red, festival, Holi. So here you find country is a common noun. There are many countries, we are not talking about a particular country, but here we are talking about a particular country, India, and here you find I starts with a capital letter, so it is a proper noun. Similarly, month, there are 12 months in a year, we are not talking about a particular month, but when we are talking about March, this will be called as a proper noun because it is the name of a particular month, March, and also here M starts with the capital letter. Similarly, there are many colors. So here red, it is the name of a particular color, and here R starts with the capital, so it will be called as a proper noun. Similarly, there are many festivals. We are not talking about a particular festival, but Holi, it is the name of a particular festival. So here and here also H starts with the capital letter, so it is a proper noun. Clear? So look at the picture on the left. Do you know who they are? They are a man, woman, girl and a boy. Yes. So here a man, here man will be called as a common noun. Woman will be called as a common noun. Girl will be called as common noun. Boy will be called as common noun. But when we refer to them as a particular name, Niraj, Aryan, Anuradha, Kavita, so they are known as a proper noun. Clear? Because it refers to the particular name here, Niraj, Aryan, Anuradha and Kavita. Okay. So now look at the picture on the right with names given. You now know who these people are. Yes. So you find these are the name of a person here. Okay. So here they are these nouns you called as proper noun. Okay. And here left side this is common, and right these are proper nouns. Clear? Then next here let's practice. Here are some nouns. Put them under the correct columns in the table below. Okay. So here Roja, this is the name of a particular girl. So here already given Roja. Woman, here just look at the letter W, it starts with a small letter. So it is a common noun. Then animal. Yes, so animal here A starts with a small letter. So this will be common noun. Boss. Boss also B starts with a small letter. So this is a common noun. Jimmy. Yes, so here Jimmy, this is the name of a particular person. J starts with capital, so you have to write here Jimmy, proper nouns, okay, under proper nouns column. Cat, yes, so you know here C starts with a small letter, so this is a common noun. Monday, so here you find M starts with a capital letter and it is the name of a particular day, so you have to write here proper noun, okay. Then Harris, you know Harris, here you find H starts with a capital letter, so it is the name of a particular person, so you have to write here proper noun Harris. Then next car, so you know C starts with a small letter, so you have to write here common noun. Similarly box, so you know here B starts with a small letter, so this is also a yes common noun. Silla, yes, so you know here S starts with a capital letter, so this will be called as a proper noun. Then next you find Puri, you know Puri, it is the name of a particular place, okay. So here P also starts with a capital letter, so you have to write here proper noun, clear. Then next you know beach, so you know here beach B starts with a small letter, so this will be called common noun, not a proper noun. Then Kerala, yes, so you know it is, this is you know name of a particular state, Kerala, so you have to write here proper noun, okay. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Then next January, you know J starts with a capital letter because you know it is the name of a particular month, so you have to write here January in proper nouns column, okay. Then bat, yes, so you know B starts with a small letter, so this will be common noun, clear. So I think you have got a complete idea about common noun and proper noun, okay. Then next here circle the common nouns. So here you have to circle the common nouns, okay. Parrot, yes, the parrot, you know this is parrot, you know common noun, and it, you know it starts with a small letter, parrot. Then you know here apple is also, yes, apple is also common noun as it starts with a small letter. Then you know bear, bear, you know this is also common noun. Frog is also common noun, goat is also common noun, tiger is also common noun, snake is also common noun, and plant is also common noun. But you find here these nouns are not common noun. Why? Because you know Kochi, this is the name of a place and it should be in capital letter K. You have to write K in capital, Kochi. Then next you know Ollie. Ollie is the name of a person, so you have to write A first capital then Ly. Then next Sunita. Yes, Sunita is the name of a girl, so you have to capitalize S first letter. Joseph is also name of a person, boy, so you have to capital the first letter J. Similarly India, you know this is the name of a country, I should be capitalized. Pankaj is also name of a person, boy, so P should be capitalized. Sally, you know this is also a girl, name of a girl, okay, S should be capitalized. Sunday, you know this is the name of a day, S should be capitalized, clear. Then next write the names of your friends below. Will these be common or proper noun? Yes, so you have to write here name of your friends, okay. Suppose you have to write here friends name Rahul, Rohan, Pankaj, John, Sital, Sneha, okay. You know these are the proper noun. So here will these be common or proper noun? Yes, these will be proper noun because it is the name of a particular boy or girl, okay. So these are will be called as proper nouns, not a common nouns, clear. Then next here write as many nouns as you can that go with the common nouns given below, okay. So here you know kitchen. What common nouns do you find in kitchen? You know stove, plates, bowls, spoons, oven, okay. Similarly what common nouns you find in bedroom? So you know bed, a pillow, a fan, a blanket, bed light, okay. So you have to write in small letter of each noun. Bed, B should be written in small letter, pillow, P should be written in small letter because these are you know common nouns, not proper nouns, okay. Similarly what nouns do you find in bathroom? You know bucket, mug, a soap, a shampoo, okay. Similarly what nouns do you find in garden? You know plants, flowers, grass, okay. Similarly what common nouns do you find in classroom? Table, a chair, a chalk, duster, map, okay. Then similarly what common nouns do you find in restaurant? You know table, a chair, a fork, a plate, a spoon, okay. These nouns we find in you know a restaurant. Similarly zoo, you know birds, animals, trees, okay, elephant, cage, tiger. These are common nouns, not proper noun. Clear? Then next write 4 exact names. That means exact means proper nouns for each of the categories below. So here name of the days. Yes, names of the days should be proper noun always starts with the capital letter. Here S should be capitalized. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Similarly names of the months. January J should be capitalized. February F should be capitalized. M March should be M should be capitalized. First letter should be capitalized. Okay. April A. Similarly names of the festivals. Holi H should be capitalized. Diwali D should be capitalized. Dasera D should be capitalized. Ganesh Puja G. Okay. The next here names of the cities. Yes, Mumbai M capitalized. D should be written in capitalized letter. Bhubaneswar B. Then Kolkata K. Okay. Proper noun always start with capital letter. Clear? Okay. So we will discuss the remaining parts in the next video. Okay. So if you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.